So you might be in a situation where for some reason your eSIM is just not working on your iPhone 16. Now, number one, the first thing that we recommend doing is to go through and just toggle on and off airplane mode. So go inside of your settings application like this, go ahead and basically scroll down until you find this airplane mode toggle and go ahead and toggle this on and off. So just quickly toggle this on, quickly toggle this off, and most probably that should end up fixing the problem for the most part. So that's one option, one area that could end up helping you here. Now you can also go through and toggle the eSIM line on and off. So back into your settings application like this, go down into your cellular connection settings. So right here we have cellular connections, tap here, and you should see an option where it shows your eSIM plan and everything like that. You can go through and turn on that line to off, wait about 10 seconds and switch it back to on, and that can also kind of end up fixing the problem for you as well. You might also want to make sure you have disabled any VPNs or anything like that you basically have accessible on your device as well, because sometimes that can also cause some problems for you too. And just simply disabling those VPNs can be another very good thing for you as well. If that's still not working, try restarting your device, try holding the volume up in the side button, kind of sliding it off, try seeing if that ends up working, and for a lot of people that should end up fixing it for you too. So hopefully that ends up fixing it for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.